Hey guys, my name is Kuka, and this is Health is Wealth Kids. So today's episode is about oils. There's soybean oil, corn oil, peanut oil, avocado oil, and much more. Today we're going to Brooklyn, where there's all types of food and all types of oils people are cooking with. Let's go!
I'm so hungry, and it's so hot. What should we eat, Ava?
I want some pica pollo and wasacaca and wasacaca.
Pica pollo and wasacaca? Eva, you know that's not a healthy choice.
Wasacaca! Pica pollo and wasacaca! Pica pollo and wasacaca! Pica pollo and wasacaca!
When Eva is stressed, she always wants comfort foods, even though we know it's not the best choice.
Pica pollo and wasacaca!
Pica pollo wasacaca. Pica pollo wasacaca. Pica pollo wasacaca. Frito. Mucha pierna, mucha ala, la pámpara no se opaca. Pica pollo wasacaca.
Wake up!
Pica pollo wasacaca.
You're hallucinating about junk food!
Wasacaca.
My goodness. We gotta find something healthy quick because that dream had me going crazy, Kuka.
Have you ever heard of a spot out here in New York called Healthy as a Mother?
Healthy as a mother?
Healthy as a mother? Healthy as a mother? Healthy as a mama? Healthy as a mama?
Healthy as a mama?
Nah, boy, it healthy as a mother. Ain't no mama nah. Hear me good, that healthy as a mother. What's up, que lo que? Que lo que, maning? Do you know where that spot is located? Healthy as a mother?
All food is healthy as a mother. 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 From the compound to the block, we serving that heat. 2, 3, 4, you don't have Brooklyn, real vibes, real sweet. Big thing in the pot, you could taste the love. I mean, look how we blessed from above. Wanna link up quick, search healthy as a mother, then click on the dial, just stick. Plant-based, throw away your weight on. Eat healthy, a mother.com. This earth force is strong. All food is healthy as a mother. All food is healthy as a mother. All food is healthy as a mother. All food is healthy as a mother.
Hey guys, welcome to Healthy as a Mother. I seen that Ava was enjoying her food. Yes, I was. I really wanted pica pollo. But after tasting your food, I just couldn't hold myself back. I'm Dominican, so I understand. But the oil that stuff is cooked in is terrible for your body. We cook with avocado oil here. It's more expensive, but you only get one body.
Just like you say, yes, they have some polyunsaturated fats, but they're heavy on the omega-6. When you're eating that all the time, your body just swelling up with inflammation.
Avocado oil has the highest smoke points of any plant oil, meaning it won't easily break down into toxic fumes and harmful free radicals when used for high-heat cooking.
We represent overcoming the challenges of transitioning to a healthy life through a plant-based lifestyle and making conscious choices.
Yay!
Wow, Eva, you were really bugging out today. But you handled yourself well. Oh! Let's watch that podcast that Cairo said he was in when he entered the Matrix.
I imagine right now you're feeling a bit like a chickpea, lost in the hummus. Yo, for real, my mom only cook with corn oil and Goya seasoning, bro. And then she think that shit healthy, fam.
Oh, man.
Let me tell you why you're here. You're here because you ate something. What you ate, you can't explain. But you feel it every time you eat fast food. Yo, bro, you hear Walmart got them radioactive shrimp. Wow. They trying to make us glow in the dark, man. They straight bugging out there. They don't care about nothing.
Take the blue pill, you go keep eating doubles, burgers, pizza, all kind of unhealthy things. Take the red pill, you go see the truth behind all them chemicals and the processed food. You go start learning how to become.
Hello, Kuka. I finally found you. Listen closely. That is the sound of inevitability.
Jose! It's they! It's they!
I have been expecting this moment. You believed you were hiding. You were simply following the design.
Man, that guy gives me the creeps. I don't understand why he's so obsessed with Kuka. Don't eat pica pollo every day, gonna lead to a heart attack. I know it was making me fat, but it tastes so good. Yo sabía que ese aceite que estamos usando es una vaina mala para la gente, pero los tigres ponen el aceite bueno carísimo para que uno no lo pueda comprar. Perdóname, mi Dios. Next up, pica pollo, next.
Hey guys, I know I shouldn't be scared of anything, but those guys are everywhere! It's like whoever tries to say something against big companies' products gets harassed and followed by they. But anyway, so far we learned that there is a difference between avocado oil and other cheap oils, like the Wasakaka food truck uses just because it's cheaper.
But it tastes so good.
But you know what, guys? If God is with me, who can be against me? I'd rather suffer for doing good than to live in fear.
Listen, you're gonna tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. You got it, Mr. Oil?
Well, I can cause systemic inflammation, bloating, cardiovascular issues, and much more problems, but it's not my fault. I never asked to be used to fry foods.
Did you know that? Recent studies in mice have shown that consuming even low doses of fried soybean oil causes an immediate spike in inflammatory markers in the bloodstream? How about you, corn oil? You're in almost every Dominican household. How did that happen?
It's called the Mazola effect. The American brand Mazola became so ingrained in the culture through targeted marketing and affordability. It's the pica pollo, sir, the pica pollo!
How about you, avocado oil? What's your story?
Well, I don't want to brag, but I fight oxidative stress over time, protecting eye health and reducing joint stiffness. And I don't release free radicals like soybean oil.
I brought all three of them into the interrogation room. Soybean, corn, and avocado. We turned up the heat, literally. Soybean cracked first. Soon as the skillet hit 400 degrees, he was smoking, leaving a greasy, oxidized mess all over the evidence. Corn wasn't much better. He tried to hide behind that innocent vegetable label, but my lab boys found him highly processed, stripped of nutrients, and full of the bad kind of fats. They're cheap, sure, but they're bad news for the cellular neighborhood. But then, there's avocado. He was cool, green, and completely unbothered. We pushed him to 500 degrees and he didn't even break a sweat. Squeezed right from the flesh, pure, and packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. No chemical solvents, no funny business. So here's my official report. Soybean and corn belong in the slammer. Avocado is the only one I'm trusting to watch my back in the kitchen. Case closed. Hello there, Mr. Kuka. We meet again.
Save the small talk. You rely on fear to keep the public blind. But I don't fear you, Agent They. And I don't fear the corporations either.
The public doesn't want the truth. They want what is cheap. They want what is convenient. When they find out what you've broadcasted today, they will delete you, Kuka.
I fear nothing in your world, Agent, because your creator wrote my code as well. And he is standing right beside me.
You think that you are the one, Kuka? That you have a relationship with the creator of this universe? Ha 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 ha!
Let destruction come upon him at unawares, and let his net that he hath hid catch himself. Into that very destruction let him fall. Amen.
Oh, wow, Kuka, was that your plan? Well, nothing happened. And now I will delete you myself.
Hey guys, never stop doing what is right for your mind, body, and soul. If you don't take control of yourself, then they will.